Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to discuss extracting square roots. In discussing extracting square root, we need to know the square root property. So let's look at now the square root property. The square root property states that if x squared is equal to k, then x would be equal to positive negative the square root of k. As an example, in real number, so we have here x squared is equal to 25. Then we can get now the square root of x squared is equal to square root of 25. So we got now x would be equal to positive negative 5 or plus minus 5. So when we do the checking, we have here x equal to 5. So substituting to the original equation, which is x squared is equal to 25, substituting 5. And the answer is 25 is equal to 25. Another is that x equal to negative 5. So substituting that to the original equation, x squared is equal to 25. Negative 5 squared is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. So it satisfies that when we have the square, especially if you're working with algebra, you'll get now the principal roots of the number. Let's have this problem. Solve for the value of x in the equation x squared is equal to 16. Now working with that, let's have now our solution. Copying now the original equation, x squared is equal to 16. Let's extract now the square root. So x squared, square root of x squared is equal to square root of 16. Now our answer is x is equal to plus minus 4 or positive negative 4. And therefore we can conclude that x equal to 4 and x equal to negative 4. Let's have another problem. Solve for x if x squared is equal to negative 36. Now, let's copy now the original equation, x is equal to negative 36. Now, the other side has a negative. So, if there is a negative, still the same, x squared is equal to square root of negative 36. However, let's have process this one. We know that 36 times negative 1 is equal to negative 36. So, we have factor negative 1 on that. So, it's much easier now that we have now positive negative 6 and then square root of negative 1. We can make it as I because square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So therefore, our answer would be x equal to 6i and x equal to negative 6i. Let's have another problem. Solve for x if x squared minus 5 is equal to 4. Now, let's copy the original equation. X squared minus 5 is equal to 4. Adding 5 both sides would be like that. So we'll have now 9. X squared is equal to 9. Now, extracting now the roots, square root of x squared is equal to square root of 9. We have now positive and negative 3. So therefore, we could say that the value of x is x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 3. I hope you learned something about extracting square roots. You can explore more of this when you encounter. So there are some roots that you could have. So roots with still radical is existing. So we'll go on the other video. So where there are a lot of setup that you can work on when you're extracting square roots. I hope you learned something with this video. Thank you very much.